Hi everyone! Today we are diving into a really exciting topic, how kids in Germany can start investing early even before turning 18. We will take a close look at Scalable Capital's brand new kids account, also known as the Kinderdepot. I will walk you through how it works, who can use it, tax benefits and why starting early can make such a huge difference, especially now with Germany's upcoming Frührente initiative that's encouraging families to invest for their children's future. And if you're new here, I am Balaji. I make videos all about life, finance and latest updates in Germany. If you're ready, come let's get started. Why start investing early? Starting young is honestly the biggest secret to building real financial security. The earlier you begin investing, the more time your money has to grow, not just from your savings but also from something called as compound interest. For instance, I have been managing junior depot accounts for both my kids, one with a COMDIRECT and the other with a Consus bank for a few years now. It's been amazing to watch how even small regular contributions can grow significantly thanks to the compound interest. If you're very new to know what is compound interest, I have made earlier videos explaining what is ETF, what is compound interest, how this will bring more benefits for you. Please check it in my card. In the beginning, it feels slow, but after a few years, you really start to see the acceleration. Germany's financial landscape is now evolving to promote early financial literacy, especially with a new government-led initiative like Frührente, which I will make a separate video later. So, what is the Scalable Capital's Kinderdepot all about? The Scalable Capital recently introduced a Kinderdepot, which is a regulated investment account that parents or legal guardians can open for their children. It's a safe, easy and 100% digital way to invest in exchange traded funds and build long-term wealth. Key highlights include you get 2% annual interest on the cash balances. One can start investing from €1 per month and on commission-free ETF savings plan provided at Scalable Capital. Pocket money future, where the total expense ratio is paid by Scalable Capital and this money is reinvested into your portfolio. Each child can save up to €13,132 tax-free per year savings. Parents roughly around €3,600 in taxes. If you want to know how exactly this taxes can be saved while saving for kids, comment below. I will make a detailed video explaining about this. All of this happens in a fully digital environment with no paperwork or hidden fees. Two easy ways to invest. In Scalable Capital, there are two possible options to invest with. One is the Scalable Broker. You manually select and manage your child's ETFs, enjoying total control and market freedom. Second option is Scalable Wealth, perfect for the busy parents. The platform automatically builds and maintains a diversified portfolio with zero management fees and ongoing rebalancing options for it. Both the versions come with built-in safeguards and seamless integration with your main Scalable account. So, how to open a kids account now at Scalable Capital? Opening a kids account is simple and happens entirely online. Here is what you will need to do it. The child must be under 18 years and reside in Germany. The parent or legal guardian must already have a Scalable Capital account. You can use the referral link. If you haven't opened an account in Scalable Capital, you can use the referral link given in the description. Opening process is very easy. Next point, the proof of custody and valid ID must be provided. You can open the kids account anytime online, fully digital and free of charge. Even if only one parent has custody, it's still possible to open the account at Scalable Capital. Once it's set up, you can link a savings plan, deposit money and start investing immediately. Upcoming Frührente. Now here is where it gets exciting. Starting in January 2026, the German government plans to introduce the Frührente, a national early retirement savings initiative. With this program, the state will contribute €10 per month to every eligible child's retirement account, and Scalable Capital is preparing its Kinderdepot to integrate seamlessly with it. That sounds good, right? So that means kids today could start benefiting from state supported retirement savings as early as next year, taking compound growth even further. Why do I recommend families to choose Scalable? Here's why parents across Germany are signing up. It builds a long-term wealth and fosters financial understanding. Parents enjoy tax savings and no hidden fees behind it. Flexible contributions, you adjust or pause savings any point of time. This is secure, digital and backed by the Scalable's new full banking license, increasing the deposit protection and future integration options. So multiple guardians, parents or grandparents can contribute jointly to the same account, creating a collaborative family investment strategy. If you are a parent in Germany looking to secure your child's financial future, the Scalable Capital Kit account offers one of the most flexible and forward-thinking solutions. Start small, invest regularly, and let the power of the compound growth do the rest for you. After all, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, right? The second best time is today. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share this video to your friends if you found this guide more helpful. Together, let's help the next generation grow smarter and stronger financially. So catch you in one other interesting video. Until then, bye bye from Vanakkam, Germany, Balaji.